see how to fix the driver is not executable error in Selenium. So you can see, let me run one more time. So you can see I'm getting this error and I'm getting the path as well, the driver executable file. Let me see what is the location. Okay, to fix this we need to open terminal. Okay, so terminal is already there, so we need to go to this location driver, then we have slash okay. So let's see, executable is there, yeah. So clone driver is there, so let me do chmod so after giving the permission, means because this file is not executable, I have converted this file into the executable file, and now you can see the browser is opening. Okay, thank you all.